These are the elevators at the Floridan Palace in Tampa, Florida. We're starting on the first floor, which is one floor below the lobby. And also check out this old letterbox. It's pretty cool. So we got elevator number 3 over here. It's a pretty small cab, as you can see. The capacity is only, actually it's 2,500 pounds, which isn't that small, but given that these are hotel elevators, you couldn't fit a car in here. And we're going up, actually. I didn't press a button yet. You know what? Actually, I think this elevator just parks on the lobby. So let's go back down to 1, and then we're gonna go up to 19. So we're gonna just do a little cab view, because why not? So this is a pretty nice cab. Although one of the lights is burned out. So now let's go to 19. Here we are at 19. Also, the button for 19 is burned out, as you can see. We're gonna go back down to 1. Also, as you can tell, the lobby is the 2nd floor, and the mezzanine M is the 3rd floor. Here's your inspection certificate. Here are your fixtures. Also, I believe this might be, actually, is that another phone? I don't know what that is, but there's a phone over here. We're gonna send this one up. Well, we're gonna get out first. We're gonna get out first, and then this one's gonna go up. We're gonna get one of these other 2. I think the button's, actually no, the button's not burned out. Camera keeps going out of focus, but you can see it lights up. Now we just gotta wait for an elevator. Now we got elevator number 2, which is basically the same size cab. Elevator number 1, however, is a little different. We're gonna ride that one a little bit. So here we go at 19. Here we are at 19. So as you can see, this is just the elevator lobby. We're gonna get a little look at the hotel corridor when we come back up, hopefully on elevator number 1. So here's your cab view, basically the same as the other elevator number 3 that is. So none of the lights on the ceiling are burned out. So here's basically a guest checklist with the COVID pandemic. Here's your certificate. And again, here are your buttons. So let's send this one up. Actually, you know what? I just remembered. We aren't going to be able to ride that elevator. And you want to know why? When the elevator comes, I'll explain. I'll show you why we won't be able to ride elevator number 1. We have to go to lobby. So just up 1 floor. I may not be able to give you a good look since there's a desk out here, but I'll try to show you. It's out of service. Take a look at that. Also, you got a CJ Anderson call station. Anyway, that'll be it.